In today's modern world, it's not surprising that property is the world's largest asset class. Property technology is the next big thing. It's an industry that is experiencing massive growth and exposure.
So OpenBox is a PropTech company. We've been in the space since 2001, and that gives us a fantastic view of the PropTech industry as it's grown, and it's positioned us incredibly in the explosion of it. We're about finding a better way in what we do and what we do for our clients. In fact, a better way is one of the reasons why I founded OpenBox. I wanted a better place to work, to be always challenging ourselves, always trying to find better ways to be doing things. And so it underpins absolutely everything we do.
Hi NMU, my name is Nicole Stone and I head up talent at OpenBox Software. It's a privilege to introduce you to our business today. It's great to be partnering with NMU once again, albeit this time under slightly different circumstances. Like the rest of the world, we are also working from home, hence why my colleagues and I are not in the same place. Over the course of our short video, you'll get to meet with some of my colleagues who actually studied at NMU, so they know firsthand what it's like to transition from academics and university to working. But first up, you'll be meeting with Andrew Pollock, who heads up our custom software team. I really hope that after COVID-19 is a thing of the past, we'll get to meet one another in person.
Thanks, Nicole. Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Pollock and I head up the custom software division at OpenBox, where we're always on the lookout for great people to join our team. The custom division offers our clients the full application lifecycle. This ranges from the initial design through to implementation and ongoing support and maintenance. Our team has a number of different roles, ranging from our consultants and business analysts who define and design our solutions. The project teams, made up of software developers, quality assurance analysts and project managers, then implement and support these solutions. The types of technologies that our teams work in are our .NET Web solutions, our BI and SQL solutions, as well as RPA or robotic process automations, as well as solutions in CMS and low code, mainly using Microsoft's Power Platform. At OpenBox, we strive to do things a better way in everything that we do, and we look for people who are not afraid of a challenge. If you'd like to find out more information about what we do and the type of projects that we work on, please come and visit our blog.
Hi, I'm Ron Hill. I graduated with a Master's in Computer Science and Information Systems from Nelson Mandela University at the end of 2009. I am currently working for OpenBox Software for the last 10 years and currently operate as a Senior Project Manager within the Custom Software Division. In addition to managing long-term support and enhancement teams, I am also responsible for the delivery of projects ranging in size from small to large. OpenBox has always fostered a culture of learning and development, and aside from the experience I personally have gained over the last period, I've never felt there hasn't been room for growth. I've been able to enjoy a considerable amount of autonomy to ultimately drive and deliver solutions to our clients in a better way, learning from one successful project to another. I've also really loved working alongside some of the brightest minds in the form of my colleagues. I've witnessed them build out some of the most innovative designs and solutions to the highest of standards that genuinely inspire me to come into work every day and ultimately be incredibly proud of what we've achieved, not only as a team, but as a company.
My name is Gerard and I am a junior developer at OpenBox. I have been working at OpenBox for half a year now. I was recruited from NMU as a graduate myself at the end of 2019. When I started working at OpenBox, they gave me and the rest of the graduates ample time to settle in, learning the business context, getting to know our teams, and gradually building our skills up to a point where we felt comfortable working with clients. I love it that I am frequently challenged by both training and client work, giving me the opportunity to use techniques and approaches I never thought of or would have been able to do while studying.
Hi, my name is Uwe and I graduated from NMU, now NMU, which is a little bit easier to say, back in 2015, which basically puts me at OpenBox just under 5 years, which is yeah, quite weird to think. It feels like just yesterday that I started here. I remember being at NMU when OpenBox came for the careers fair, and just listening to the presentation they gave and listening to some of the work they've done. You could just hear from the employees that it was such an awesome place to work for. The people had fun, but they knew how to be serious and really produce quality work and work with the most leading edge tech, which was also quite cool. And I think back on like some of the recent work that I've done at OpenBox. Speaking of leading edge tech, we had a client come to us out of New York who wanted to derive like a tenant rating of the tenants that they had in their buildings during this whole COVID-19 pandemic. So it obviously had to be turned around really quickly. So we had to pull in different like metrics such as foot traffic through a mall, a tenant's credit rating, sort of the location that they're in, how that kind of corresponds to the COVID pandemic in their location, and at the end of it produce some kind of metric and dashboard which they could look at and make really quick and informed decisions out of. And we managed to do all that using some cloud technologies and Power BI. To get that in the client's hand just under 2 weeks, which was mind-blowing to me, but really cool, very fun, and it was really awesome to see like the client really get great value out of that in such a short amount of time.